Dear students, welcome back to our channel. So this is the second model question paper of basic surveying. So first we'll discuss 15 MCQ questions. So in that first one, the smallest division in a metric chain is 10 centimeters. So this is the smallest division of metric chain, that is 10 centimeter. That is option B is correct. Next one, which tape is most affected by temperature? That is steel tape. So it will be varying when the temperature will be high. So this is the second one. B option. In chain surveying, a tile line is used to locate a interior details, interior angles and interior measurements. So D option is correct. Fourth one, ranging rods are painted in a red and white color. So option C is correct. Fifth one, direct ranging is difficult when line of sight is obstructed. So when it is obstructed, we can't sight the other station. So that is a line of sight is obstructed. Option B. Sixth one, a prism square is used for option B, that is setting a right angle. So B option is correct. Seventh one, instrumental errors in compass arise due to inaccurate graduation. Option B is correct. Eighth one, whole circle bearing of north 45 degree west is 315 degree. That is option C is correct. Ninth one, diff of the magnetic needle is 0 at the equator. Option A is correct. The fundamental axis is dumpy level is, that is a line of collimation. That is option C. 11th one, a datum is a reference plane for a RL. So that is option C is correct. 12th one, backside is always taken on a benchmark. So backside it is a fixed, that is a benchmark we will take, that is option B. 13th one, area calculated using a trapezoidal rule is more accurate when offsets are uniformly spaced. Uniformly spaced is uniformly spaced is nothing but exactly we have to take the measurements, that is offsets are uniformly spaced, that is option B. 14th one, the area of an irregular boundary is best measuring using a chain and offset. So that is option C is correct. 15th one, contour lines closely spaced indicate a steep slope. So that is option B is correct. For more such questions, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.